Hello there, my name is Hoan. Now I'm talking 5 sentences about the sound of and Now let's go. 1. This table is bigger than that table. This table is bigger than that table. 2. The thief is healthy. The thief is healthy. 3. My nice sister is teething. My nice sister is teething. 4. My brother usually goes theater with my father. My brother usually goes theater with my father. 5. I like bathing in my bathtub. I like bathing in my bathtub. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.